Hello there, I'm meteorologist Dan Koch, and if you've been watching the weather across Arkansas in the past week or so, you probably know we've got a chance of severe weather coming up in the Wednesday-Thursday time frame. So the big question is, how bad's it going to be? Well, stick with me and let's take a look. And you'll have to pardon my dust here a little bit. I'm working from home today and I'm still in the process of setting up my home studio. Going to do some really cool stuff, add some studio lights and a green screen behind me so I can do some pretty cool graphic effects. But for now, it's a little bit of a work in progress. So first things first, I want to take a look at the severe weather threat for Wednesday into Wednesday night. Now, this system will be approaching from the west, and it's a pretty dynamic system. Most of the threat during the daylight hours is going to be to the west of us over Oklahoma and portions of Texas. And as it wears on into the evening hours, that risk will increase over the western parts of Arkansas. Now, jumping ahead, if we look into the severe weather threat on Thursday, this could be a little bit misleading, especially if you're here in the central parts of Arkansas. What's probably going to be the case is this system is going to come in sometime after midnight. And in fact, I think in the Little Rock and Conway area, Pine Bluff, we're probably going to see the storms hitting probably in the wee hours of the morning. So sometime between midnight and 6 a.m. would be my best guess right now. So looking at the upper level charts on this system that's approaching, it looks pretty darn impressive. We've been watching it for 4 or 5 days and we've been pretty concerned about the potential for tornadoes. There's a tremendous amount of wind shear associated with this system, but the one saving grace for Arkansas is it looks like it's going to hit during the night. And that means there's going to be a loss of all the daytime heating. It also means we're going to have considerably less instability in the atmosphere. So putting it all together, what I think we're probably going to see is more of a generalized low-grade severe weather event with the possibility of some tornadoes. Now, the tornado threat could be a heck of a lot worse if this hit during the day. I think during the nighttime hours, the primary threat will be some of the shorter-lived, weaker tornadoes. I mean, it doesn't really matter much if your house happens to get hit by one, but I don't think we're going to be looking at least for Arkansas, I don't think we're going to be looking at a really big tornado outbreak with this one. However, as you all know, things can change pretty fast here in Arkansas, and it is that time of year. So if this system speeds up or slows down a little bit, the risk could increase substantially.